Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know I'm crazy. I've been doing that whole fake modeling type thing in the beginning lately. I don't know why. I've been feeling myself lately. I don't know, but you know, that's always a good. You're supposed to feel yourself, you know what I'm saying? So anywho, welcome back to my channel. All right, well, it is Friday, so it is First Impression Friday again. And we are going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, which I'm in the color F13. We are trying the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, which I'm in the color C12. And also the Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot powder, and I got the color Banana Deep. So yeah, we're going to be reviewing these things. Alrighty. If you want to see how I applied my foundation, concealer, and powder, please stay tuned. And stay tuned till after the video as well. As you know, I will go ahead and come back on and let you know my thoughts and feelings on how I believe the foundation, concealer, and powder work. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye. In the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, I am in the color F13. So let's go ahead and get started. I feel like I'm a little crooked. Nice big doe foot applicator. Yeah. So where's my mirror? Oh. So I'm going to go ahead and get it popping. And yes, my face is a little orange because I did some color correcting before I turned on the screen. And this color looks dark. This color looks really freaking dark. Yeah. I know, I always say I like a darker shade, but this looks dark. I don't know, this looks dark. I knew I should have got F12 probably. I don't know, maybe this is just up against this orange. I don't know. Anyway. We're going to make it do what it do anyway. I'm going to try to make this video short as possible because it is 1:30 and my youngest son has a dentist appointment at 4:30. So I wanted to go ahead and do something here. I don't usually get this all glammed up and stuff for taking my son anywhere. I only did this because I knew I had to get a video for Friday. I was like, oh shoot, I don't have my first impression video filmed yet, so that's why I'm a little extra glam. Going to my 5-year-old's pediatrician dentist appointment, and yeah, they're gonna be like, what the all glammed up are we now? Anyway, I guess that's about enough. If I need more, I'll put some more on. But yeah, and I'm just going to use my BH Cosmetics sponge as always. Yeah, this is dark. And again, I actually did go overboard with the orange today because I squeezed out too much. Because I used the BH Cosmetics one. The BH Cosmetics Total Conceal right here. Yep, and I squeezed too much out because I thought it was just a little bit left, so I squeezed too much on my face, and yeah, I went way overboard. Way. I am freaking orange. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know about this. I may have to start over, y'all. Seriously. With my face, I mean. And still have time to get to my son's dentist appointment. Oh my gosh. This color is dark. And it's really orange already. Has a lot like orange undertones to it. I look freaking crazy. Okay, well, I might not be wearing any makeup to the dentist office. I might take all of this off and just go plain, but I am going to keep it on for the video. But yeah, I look crazy, y'all. I look crazy. Look at that. That is way too freaking orange. Way too orange. Plus the orange corrector. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't think this is gonna work. But again, I am going to that's way different from my neck. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, Tanika. Okay, all right. Let's take a deep breath here. Let's take a deep breath. I really don't feel like prepping my skin and doing all that stuff again. The serums, the moisturizers, the primer, the oil. Oh my gosh, I don't feel like doing all that again. Then I'm gonna have to wash my face too because, you know, clean canvas makes makeup sit better on your face. So yeah, I may have to, man, okay. Alright, I'm gonna stop complaining and go ahead and finish out this look. But like I said, I may be taking this off before I go to the doctor's office. This is gonna be strictly for this freaking video, I believe. This is way too on. But, you know, people mess up. Nobody's perfect. But it is blending out beautifully. As far as first impressions go, it's blending out beautifully though. It really is. I like the way it feels on the face too. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels nice and it feels good. And look how smooth it's blending. It's like, it's nice. Let me bring y'all up some, in some so you can see what I'm talking about the orange. I used too much orange corrector, and then this has real deep orange undertones in this foundation. This is looking a hot freaking mess. I want to say the other word, but maybe children watching. See that, y'all? A lot of orange undertones. Let me see. I'll turn off this light. Can you see it better? You guys, I'm almost tempted to not even try the concealer and powder, but for the sake of First Impression Friday, I'm going to do it anyway. Alright, the concealer I have is C12. Again, it's the same. The Conceal and Define. Is that it? The Conceal and Define. Come in here. Is that? I'm so disappointed. So disappointed in me. Not this, not the products, in me. I'm just so disappointed. I'm gonna use my Ulta mini sponge. I'm so angry because I did such a pretty eyeshadow look. Such a pretty eyeshadow look, and now it has to go to waste. It has to go to waste. I could do it again, but I'm not doing this again. No ma'am, no ma'am. Not me. And again, first impressions on this concealer. Look how smooth it's blending out. Very nice. See, this is why I buy my stuff after I see like reviews and hear a lot about certain products. Everything I don't wait till I hear reviews, but a lot of stuff I do. Some stuff, you know, if I really like a person or if I see the product and I like it, I just go right and get it on first impulse, but a lot of the stuff I like to just wait and see reviews and, you know, mixed reviews or all positive or negative or whatever. Then I make up my mind. But yeah, this, nah. And it's like I said, it's all because of me though. It's not the product. The product itself, I really think it'd be nice if I get my right color. If I get the right color, the concealer is fine, but this foundation it's not doing nothing for me, so it's not doing nothing for the concealer either. But you know, y'all, I'm gonna have to make it do what it do. That's what someone who loves makeup would do. Just make it do what it do, whatever. I don't know if it's coming off as horrible on camera as it is in person, at least to me. On my in my mirror and my vanity. I don't know. I'm acting like a big kid, y'all, just acting crazy. But I'm disappointed in it. Oh, I really had high hopes that I would be able to show such a nice product. Y'all, this video is going to be horrible, isn't it? For Friday. I don't care. Well, it's not that I don't care, but it is what I have, so it is what's going to go up. So, that's as real as I can be. It's what I have, so it's what's going up. It's as real as I can be, y'all, and that's the truth. It's the truth. Stuff happens, and, you know, sometimes you got to document the bad stuff. But again, I'm definitely going to Ulta this weekend to exchange this for a lighter color. And definitely I won't use the same color corrector. Because it was too much on. Or you know what I might do? I might try again, maybe tomorrow, just to see before I take it back, how it looks without the color correction, because it has orange in it, and you know I use orange to color correct. So it might work out if I don't use the extra color corrector. So I might try that before I take it back this weekend. So I wanted to do a voiceover for this, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and let it all just hang out since the video is already fucked anyway. Excuse my language, people. Sorry, but it is. So I don't know. From what I see, y'all, it's just so orange and I hate it. Okay, let me go ahead. So, I don't know if it's looking that way, y'all. Well, again, it's called Banana Deep. Does it say that? No, Bacon Blot, and it's Banana Deep. Okay, because of the fact that I'm so frustrated, y'all, I feel like this video is just downhill, but, you know, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to use my Pure Mini sponge to just, you know, blot and get some powder here. It's just a fluffy brush, and I use this to wipe off my stuff, wipe off the powder. Don't want to get my shirt dirty. Like I said, I'm going to the dentist here. Well, taking my son to the dentist. absolutely love this brush. I love this brush. Y'all hear banging or noise? That's my son as usual. As usual. I don't know what he's doing. He might be doing something with my son and his friend upstairs. My son's off today, so he has company up there. I don't know what everybody's doing, so yeah. Alrighty, well, what I'm going to go ahead and do is to put on my blush and highlight and do under my eyes, and I will be right back to tell you how I feel about everything. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. The foundation and concealer, I'm actually going to take back what I said when I was actually putting it on. I mean, it may have a little bit of oranginess, but it's the orange undertones, but actually it blended out actually pretty well after it's been sitting for a while. I think this actually looks pretty freaking good. It looks good. So I'm going to take it back and I'm going to go ahead and give the foundation a yay. Yeah, I like it. Now the concealer, well, the concealer on the other hand, I'm going to actually, I don't like it. I mean, I don't like the concealer at all. I don't know, it's a good color. I like the color match and so forth, but I don't like the way that it sits and settles. It settled like almost immediately. Like I can see, I saw it as I was putting it on. No matter how much I blended it, you can see the settling into these lines all right here already. I haven't even gone to the dentist or haven't even had it on for that much time. I'm gonna say probably going on now maybe 2 hours, and that's tops, and it's nope, but it looked like this in the beginning, the exact same way. You can see that it's, no. Let me give you all a little look-see. Can you see? I know I'm way close, but I just wanted you to see. Can you see, like, I don't know, but I can see it. It's like under here, and you can really see it. See the powder also. A nay. Powder, a nay. I don't like the powder either. I don't know. I don't like the banana powder. I don't like the way that it just, I feel like it just sits. Doesn't do anything to make it look good. I mean, you know, I know it's not a brightening powder. I know that. But I don't know. I believe it further enhances the settling into the fine lines. I don't like it. I don't know. I didn't like the way that it brushed off. I don't like, I don't know. I just don't like the way it sits on the skin. It doesn't look like it's doing anything to make it lifted or like highlighted a bit, you know, because banana gives you a little bit of a highlight, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That is all that I have for you all today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss when I upload a video. Like my video and comment. It really, really helps your girl out. And again, thank you so much. Bye.